could just go home right now, or maybe we could stick around for just one more drink. Oh yeah. Get another bottle out, let's shoot the breeze. Sit back down for just one more drink. Oh yeah. Here's to us, here's to love, all the times that we missed it. Here's to you, fill the glass, 'cause the last few days have gone too fast. So let's give them love, wish everybody well. Here's to us, here's to us. We stuck it out this far together, put our dreams through the shredder. Let's toast, 'cause things got better. And everything could change like that, and all these years go by so fast.